Hi, I'm Javed Akhtar, co-founder at Jaja Software. We develop a smart software solutions for the apparel manufacturing industry. In this video, I'm going to show you how Jaja Software is helping apparel manufacturers become more competitive through digital software solutions. After graduating from National Institute of Fashion Technology, I joined an export house, Laguna Clothing in Bangalore. Working with a manufacturer and dealing with multiple fashion brands, I realized that the adoption of technology is still very low in the apparel manufacturing sector. Among the two main pillars of the fashion industry, the retail and e-commerce have adopted modern technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, etc. aggressively to capture more markets. But when it comes to the manufacturing in India, there is complete lack of innovation. They are still using obsolete and inefficient ways to respond to the changing environment. The COVID-19 pandemic will further put pressure on the apparel manufacturers to work with tight margins and shorter lead times. It will demand increased operational efficiency, more flexibility, and better quality. The companies who can offer better cost and reduce lead time without compromising quality will emerge stronger. Digitalization is the key to achieving these objectives. We have developed some very innovative solutions that cover almost the entire supply chain in the apparel manufacturing industry, and together they can boost productivity by up to 40%. Now imagine a system that can automatically allocate operators at 15 to 20% higher efficiency compared to manual allocation, that alerts of bottlenecks even before they have occurred, alerts quality team of all the critical operations before a style is loaded in a line, that tells an operator how he or she can earn more, and many more such interesting automations. Yes, you heard it right. SPMS is not only a real-time shop floor tracking system, but it automates many processes using advanced algorithms and predictive analytics, increasing the factory efficiency by up to 25%. We have already launched a beta version and implemented it in a factory in Bangalore, and the results are very promising. Another great solution is OptaCut, a fabric optimization software that can increase profitability by up to 15%. Let's say you own a business and your goal is to increase profit. Now there can be hundreds of things that can be done in the entire supply chain. But generally in a business, you don't have the resources, time, energy and management focus to do everything at once. You should focus on those areas first that can give the maximum output, maximum profit. And fabric accounts for almost 60 to 70% of the total garment cost. So even if a small amount of fabric is saved, it can increase the profit considerably. For example, if 3% fabric is saved in a medium factory, there will be increase in profit by 4 crore rupees annually. And this is possible through OptaCut that can save up to 10% fabric using optimization algorithms and artificial intelligence. We have demonstrated huge savings in few factories over the past 2 years. Apart from these two solutions, we have a time and action calendar software to manage orders more effectively. In a very short span of time, we are serving 11 companies spread across 3 countries. We have shown huge savings through different solutions. Meet the team who made this possible. That would be me. I use my industry knowledge and experience to come up with innovative ideas to solve different problems. This is Zahid Raza, my partner and CTO, who converts the idea into reality with his team. He is an engineering graduate from NIT Jamshedpur and has worked as senior R&D engineer in HPE. We have a team of brilliant minds from 2 different fields, apparel industry expert and passionate developer, who work together to develop innovative solutions. What set us apart and made this journey possible is our deep understanding of the apparel industry coupled with brilliant developer minds. Our mission is to develop innovative and user-friendly software solutions for the apparel manufacturing industry at the lowest possible price. If you are looking for an integrated digital solution that covers your entire manufacturing process, contact us today for a free demo.